In today's tip, I'm going to save you even more minutes a day. When you open an Office application on your PC, so I'm going to just search for PowerPoint, enter and open PowerPoint. Now normally when you open an application, it opens up on the startup screen, which shows you the different templates that you can pick from, as well as any recent documents that you've worked with. Most users just want to open a new document. So they then click on new document and then it opens in Word or PowerPoint or Excel. You can change this by going to File, Options, and under the General tab, you'll see at the bottom, Show the Start screen when application starts. I'm going to close and just open PowerPoint again. And then let's have a look and see what happens now. Now that should save you a couple of minutes a day of waiting to first pick a blank template. If you still want to go and use a template, you can go File, New, and File New will show you the templates. And of course, you can also go Open to see your recent documents. I hope that this helps you and lessens the frustration of having to go through unnecessary steps first. Enjoy.